Louis area government leaders and others have been feverishly working on a regional approach to cutting violent crime. But the head of the St. Charles County government says the proposal has a serious flaw and he's opposing it. Investigator Elliot Davis looks at why Steve Ehlmann thinks the current plan is lacking. That is tonight's You Paid For It.
Elected officials, including Mayor Tishaura Jones and County Executive Sam Page, along with law enforcement, community groups, and others, met in regional meetings in December to hammer out a regional approach to fighting crime in the St. Louis area. They put together a proposal to be voted on by area government leaders at East-West Gateway. While it includes a role for law enforcement, it also emphasizes the value of non-law enforcement measures like social workers, mental health, and community service and street outreach. Some of this proposal is not sitting well with St. Charles County Executive Steve Ehlmann.
There was no discussion in this entire report about the fact that the second part of their theory here, which is if they don't go straight, they're going to go to jail. We can't put them in jail if we don't have more police. I'm not going to support it unless we can amend it, and I've got some amendments which I think will refocus this not just on the social workers, but on the fact that we don't have enough police on the street.
I reached the spokesman for Mayor Tishaura Jones, who had this response. As outlined in the Regional Crime Practicum last month, real transformational public safety requires a combination of crime prevention and intervention along with enforcement. By investing in evidence-based strategies and data-driven police work, we are focusing our resources to save lives. This response from the office of St. Louis County Executive Sam Page. Reducing crime is something everyone supports, and we must work together to make a real difference. That's why Dr. Page supports the Regional Anti-Violence Collaborative. There is one more thing that St. Charles County Executive Steve Ehlmann doesn't like. Part of the proposal says the Regional Anti-Violence Advisory Board, chaired by the mayor of the city of St. Louis and the St. Louis County Executive, will serve as the governing board of the effort.
Why do I need to be there then? If they're going to take it over and run with it, they could have done it from the beginning. It's a little bit like putting the patient in charge of finding a cure.
Mayor Tishaura Jones' spokesman had this to say. St. Louis has experienced a 40% drop in homicides in the city of St. Louis since 2021 under the leadership of Mayor Jones. Mayor Jones and Dr. Page's leadership is important on this issue to bring down violent crime in the region.
I'm pleased to hear some of the people in the city no longer talking about defunding the police. But what I'm afraid they're talking about now is distracting the police.
The anti-crime proposal will come up for a vote in East-West Gateway on Wednesday. Now, I did ask Ehlmann if he's talked to the heads of other county governments. He said yes. When I asked if he had the votes to get his amendments through, he said, we'll see. Of course, I'll keep you up on this important issue. After all, you paid for it.